Introducing the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.